Ethan, please sit down. I knew this day might come.
Then please do not hide anything from me today.
I will not. Your biological father was Michael Parker.
And my real mother was Sarah Parker, right?
Yes. They died in a car accident when you were a baby.
So Linda is not my real mother at all.
No, she is not your biological mother, Ethan.
Then why was I raised inside their house like a lie?
Because Michael left a trust fund and property in your name.
How much did he leave for me after he died?
Enough to pay for college, living costs, and a future home.
I worked 2 jobs and skipped college because I was broke.
I know, and that should never have happened to you.
Where did that money go over all these years?
The records show Robert used much of it himself.
Used it for what? Tell me clearly and honestly.
Bills, debts, family costs, Ryan's school, and business problems.
So they spent my money and still treated me like nothing.
I am sorry, Ethan. The papers support exactly that truth.
Thank you, everyone, for coming to celebrate with us tonight.
We are so proud of Ryan and his bright future.
My younger son worked hard and brought honor to this family.
Ethan, I did not know you were coming tonight.
Why are you here after everything that happened last week?
I came because lies should not live another day.
Ethan, please do not do this in front of everyone.
You lied in front of everyone for 20 years already.
Ethan, if something is wrong, we can talk later outside.
No, Ryan. Tonight, everyone will hear the truth clearly.
Who is that woman? And why is she here?
She is the lawyer who knows my real story.
I want both of you out of this house now!
This truth belongs to me, and I will speak tonight.
My name is Ethan Michael Parker, not the lie you gave me.
Robert Parker is not my father. He is my uncle.
What are you saying? Is this some kind of joke?
No, this is true, and I have legal proof with me.
Ethan, please stop before you destroy this family forever.
You destroyed this family the day you stole my identity.
Mom? Dad? Is this true? Answer me right now.
We did what we had to do back then.
You did what helped you, not what protected me.
Michael Parker left money and property for Ethan after his death.
Are you saying Robert controlled that money all these years?
Yes, and records show most of that money is gone.
Dad, did you use Ethan's money for my school?
I used that money. I used that money to keep this family alive.
Then why did you always call me weak and useless?
We were scared, Ethan. We did not know what to do.
You always knew what to do. You chose the easy lie.
I did not know any of this, Ethan. I swear to you.
So what do you want now? Money? Revenge? Public shame?
I want the truth. My name and my stolen future back.
Ethan, please give us one chance to explain everything.
You had 20 years to explain, but you chose silence.
After everything we did for you, this is how you act?
You fed me with my father's money and called it love.
Dad, I cannot even look at you right now. Ryan, please do not turn against us tonight. You lied to him, and you lied to me too.
I came here to end the lie, not start a fight.
There will be a legal process after tonight.
You would destroy your own family over old papers?
You are not my family. You were my keepers.
Ethan, please do not leave us like this. You left me a long time ago. I just know it now.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. I finally know your names now.
I wish I had found you much earlier in life.
They took your story from me, but they did not win. I am your son, and I will live in truth now.